As a Reflex Protect trainer, you may also be teaching people how to use the 1.9 pocket-sized Presidia gel. Now, the good thing is, it is the same active ingredient as the larger cans that you're already training people with. And so all of the when to use, when not to use, all of those requirements are the same. Also, the Reflex Remove, also called NCS Fast, it is the same. So it will decon the gel from the larger units and the gel from the smaller units. The only difference is teaching people how to actually use the smaller can and then going out and practicing with the small inert. Just like we have the larger inert, we have the small one. Your people should be practicing with whichever one they're going to have access to or carry, which means they might need to practice with both. To actually use the smaller 1.9 pocket-sized Presidia gel is pretty simple. It comes with a safety that's just a flip top. So when you hit the top, that's not going to do anything. You push up there and you stick your thumb in here to use and to activate it. Now some people might want to use their finger. I don't advocate this for a couple reasons. One, sometimes you have a tendency to shoot a little bit low, but also you don't have as firm a grip on the canister. I want you to hold that canister tight and then put your thumb. So even if you get that person and he's rushing you blind, he's not going to knock this out of your hand. And you could also use it as an impact weapon if you had to get him away and spray him again. So you're just going to be much better if you're holding it with a nice secure grip. The thumb goes inside and then presses down to spray. Now I have Bob 12 feet away, we measured that, a good distance because you want to stop a person before they get close to hurt you. That's why we call it proximate protection. It can protect you from that distance. So if you're using my left hand, I would hold tight, the safety's up, you put your thumb in there, and then you press down. And you aim right for the face, and you saturate the eyes. The eyes are the target you want to aim for. While it will affect other mucous membranes, the nose, the mouth, it affects the eyes the most. One of the best analogies I heard one time talking about chemical agents, you can go outside and lay in the sun all day. You might get sunburned and be uncomfortable, but how long can you lay out and open your eyes and stare at the sun? That's what this spray is like. So rather than getting on the body, we want to hold it tight, thumb in, and spray right across the face, saturating the eyes. That's what's going to stop your attacker. We just wanted to provide a quick shot of using the actual Presidia gel. We stepped outside, not because it would affect us inside, it's just a little easier to clean up. Now all we have to do is wipe down Bob's face with Reflex Remove. Don't have to wipe down the wall if I miss or something like that. So we just did it for ease of convenience of cleanup. You can use this indoors. So let's look at an actual spray of the actual product at Bob. Firm grip on the can, thumb goes inside, press, saturate the eyes. As you saw, this is very easy to use. And I'm sure you'll be able to easily teach your employees how to use it. But remember, it's only as good as a person's access to it and the training they've done so they can quickly and accurately deploy it against a threat. It's your responsibility as a trainer to be sure that the people you train are comfortable with using this and they can use it confidently before you issue the user certification.